Welcome to Variables. Store and reuse data efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without variables, you'd have to hard-code every value each time it's needed. How do we store and reuse data? Hard-coded values are inflexible. Code becomes hard to update. Repeating values creates errors. Variables store data for easy access and modification throughout your program. How is variables used in the real world? User input. Store data from keyboard or forms, game scores. Track player points and levels, temperature conversion. Hold Celsius or Fahrenheit values. Variables powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without variables? Repeating the same value everywhere without storage. Look at how messy the code gets. Hard to update values. Code duplication. No data reuse. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Variables. Look how clean the code is now. Store data values. Reuse values easily. Clean, readable code. Compare the difference. And that is why we use variables. Let's see how to implement variables in code. Here is the implementation. Integer variable. Store whole number. String variable. Store text data. Double variable. Store decimal number. Boolean variable. Store true/false value. Print string. Display name variable. Print integer. Display age variable. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What keyword declares a variable in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is variables are declared using data types like int, string. Which is a valid variable name? Which one is correct? The correct answer is valid names start with letter. No spaces/hyphens, not key. What's the value of x after this code? Which one is correct? The correct answer is x starts as 5, then 5 plus 2 equals 7 is assigned to x. What happens when you run this code? Which one is correct? The correct answer is local variables must be initialized before use. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.